In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your LinkedIn profile private and only accessible to logged in users. This is a great way to keep your information visible to real members on LinkedIn while hiding it from search engines and people who aren't signed in. First, open LinkedIn and sign into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right and click the Me icon, the one that shows your profile photo. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Settings and Privacy. This is where all of your account and visibility controls live. Inside Settings and Privacy, find the left-hand menu and select Visibility. This section governs who can see what about you across LinkedIn. Now click Edit Your Public Profile. LinkedIn will open a new page or tab called Public Profile Settings, which controls what people can see if they're not logged into LinkedIn. At the top of that page, you'll see your profile's public visibility. To make your profile private to non-members, switch this toggle off. Turning it off hides your profile from public view and helps remove it from search engine results. Keep in mind that search engines may take time to update, so you might still see cached results for a little while. If you prefer to leave a tiny bit of information visible publicly, you can keep the main toggle on and then adjust the items below. You'll see options like your headline. Decide whether you want your headline to remain visible publicly. For maximum privacy, turn it off. You'll also see controls for your articles and activity. These can reveal a lot about your interests and work, so review them carefully and turn them off if you're aiming for a members-only presence. Farther down, you'll find sections for your experience. Open Current Experience to choose whether your current roles appear to people who aren't logged in. If your goal is privacy, disable public visibility here. You can also review past experience in the same way and decide whether to show or hide older roles on your public profile. Once you've made these changes, your profile will only be fully visible to users who are signed in to LinkedIn, and public visitors will see little to nothing, depending on your choices. A quick tip: open a private browser window and load your profile while signed out to confirm what the public sees. If something still appears, return to the public profile settings page and adjust those switches again. That's it. Your LinkedIn profile is now private and members only. If this helped, consider saving the video for future reference and share it with someone who needs tighter privacy settings.